Hey, welcome to the final video in our three-part series on coping. Today we're going to take the pipe and set it into the notch that we learned how to cut on the previous video. We're going to fasten it in place using some J-bolts. Okay, in the last video, we cut the notch out into a small prototype, like a demo transition that I designed just for illustrative purposes. I actually happen to have this quarter pipe in the garage ever since I did the weatherproofing video. Maybe some of you saw that a few weeks back. And it's just been kind of a neglected thing. It's been laying around taking up space. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the pipe on this one and finish it off. Now, one thing I just wanted to make mention of is that these notches are shimmed with a 1/2 inch piece of 2x4 I cut on the table saw here and a piece of scrap 1/4 inch gator skins here. The reason for that is, and you may be wondering, why is it shimmed? On the last video, we learned how to cut the notch and there shouldn't be a need for shims. Well, I was screwing around with a fractional formula to try to get it mathematically accurate and eliminate the need to use, the small piece of pipe and depth gauge to set the reveal. However, the acronym KISS, if you've ever heard that, keep it simple, stupid, definitely applies here. And I would stick to the method in the previous video of using the piece of pipe and the depth gauge, making your marks with a pencil and cutting that out on the saw. Easy, proven, and guaranteed to probably most likely eliminate any need for shimming. So without further delay, let's just get right into the install. Okay, we got the notches all cut out. We got them shimmed up, and I set the pipe in place and clamped it against the top rib. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill through this top rib 2 holes all the way through, and we're gonna make marks on the pipe. And we're gonna take these clamps off, we're gonna take the pipe, and we're gonna drill 3/8 holes in the pipe where the J-hooks are gonna go into. Okay, we're going to make a mark on each side, 6 inches in from the edge of the pipe. Then take the square, about right in the middle. All right, when you drill this hole, you want to use a 3/8 inch bit, and you want to come at an angle because you want to be able to pull this pipe with the J-bolts back against this board when you tighten the nut down. So go at an angle at it. Once you get through the wood, you'll hear the bit kind of squealing on the metal. Do that for a couple seconds, make a good mark in there so that when we take the clamps off and drill it out, you'll have a good mark to put the point of the bit into and get it done. Okay, so when you drilled through the wood, if you got into the metal a little bit, you have these nice dimples here, which are super easy to set the bit into. The tip of the bit fits right in, and we're going to drill straight through, 3/8 inch bit. Okay, we got our holes drilled, 3/8 inch holes, 2 of them. And I just have this clamped up here so I can work on it a little bit. And here's what you need from the hardware store. 3/8 inch J-bolt, this one's 5 inches long. Ace Hardware has them for about $2 and change. So you go ahead and put the J end in, and tap it a few times with a hammer. And there you go. We're gonna put the other one in, flip it around, insert it through the 2 holes we drilled in the top rib, and then fasten it in. All right, both bolts are in place. So now we're gonna put them in the holes we drilled. All right. Just kind of smack the coping with the palm of your hand right into place. Final phase. Washer, nut, 9/16 socket. Okay, coping's installed, as sturdy as can be, clean, no holes. That's a wrap. Check us out on gatorskinsramps.com, that's our website, YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, We have more transition tips videos planned for 2017, how-tos. Spread the stoke, go skate, catch you around.